Bonjour and welcome to a new French pronunciation video. Today we will learn how to pronounce the name of this super famous French footballer who plays for Serie A club Juventus and for the national French team. He plays as a central midfielder, but he can be deployed as a left winger, attacking midfielder, defensive midfielder, and he really have a great technique skills, sometimes inconsistent. So how do we pronounce his name? We would say Paul Pogba. Paul Pogba. So in French, you make the sound O. Paul Pogba. Did you know that Paul Pogba have two brothers that was also professional player, Florentin Pogba and Mathias Pogba. They were not as successful as Paul, but they still play well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe for more videos of French pronunciation. À bientôt, salut!